Alright, here we go. We are doing a flower deep penetration test with a 300 Blackout, 150 grain, shooting at about 50 yards. Got the bag of flour out in front of the smoky oak gel block, and we're going to see how far it punches in. So y'all stick around and see what happens. Alright, here we go. And yes, that is dangerous because the tree is not falling, but at Smoky Oak we believe in having interactive shooting ranges, because what's the same as just shooting paper and steel if your range can't attack you at the same time? So here we go. We're into the flower, pretty squared up, knocked up. Got the expansion going on. And we got our Smoky Oak seal the hole special material. And we do not have a complete pass-through, so we're going to go ahead and take that back to the table, and we'll check out what we did on deep penetration. Alright, here we go with the results of the flower deep penetration in 300 Blackout. Bam, bam. Let's see what we got going on. If I can get my knife out of my pocket. This is a CRK Drifter, if you're wondering what kind of knife that is. And we'll go ahead, nice and sharp, excellent knife. And we'll see what we got. The Drifter. CRKT, Cricket, or like I like to call it, is not a sponsor. Here we go, got going in. Let us find a smart device. Smart device on set, please. Smart device. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, we have a smart device. Smartish device. Alright, let us go. Remember, 300 Blackout. Ta-da! Anyway, good enough. Right there. Let's see what we got on the first board. Wham! 5.6. 5.6. Here we go. First board, second board, clean. There we go, right there. Hopefully the wind is not doing this. This camera should have the blocking thing, and I've got the wind blocked with other stuff with the pickup door. And here we go. In the second board. Oh, we are not out of the second board. Wham. Well, I don't have a saw to cut this open, and I am not. Ooh, looky there! Instant play action on the Wound channel of the Winchester Deer Season XP in 300 Blackout Extreme Point. You will not find that kind of special effects editing on any other video out there from us. Check that out. That is the Wound channel. As you can see, close it up like a book. Judge a book by its cover. Yeah, judge a book. Judge a bullet by its cover. I don't care, I'm ranting. So anyway, we only got two boards, 1.5 roughly going on there. That is not too bad. Let's see what the rim to rim, roughly rim to rim. Yeah, 5.9, about the same. If we go top to bottom, a little bit bigger, 7.6. So there you are, and there we go. That is a 300 Blackout. Thanks for watching.